Hello everybody, it's the Hungry Piney down here in the Pinelands. We're having a heat wave. Expected to get over 100 degrees. So sorry to say, ain't gonna be no cooking today. Welcome to the Hungry Piney Cooking Show. You don't want to miss it today. We're gonna go behind the scenes. Look at a little bit of homegrown produce. So you don't want to miss it. Fried green tomatoes, Hungry Piney style. Purple green beans, good eating. Oddly enough, when you cook them up, they turn green. Righty ho, I think we're gonna have to do a tomato recipe. It's harvest time. Righty ho, we got a Tabasco hot pepper plant here. As you see, we got to grow them in these pots because you can't grow nothing in the soil in the pine barrens because it's all sand. These will be ready in a few more weeks. Tobacco. Sweet peppers going on here. Got some gypsy sweet peppers to be good for stuffing. Jalapeno peppers growing. Some nice Italian sweet pepper, about 6 to 8 inches long. This one's pretty much ready. Got some good eatings. The green ones are the Italian sweet pepper. Looking good. A baby white eggplant. We're gonna cook that up. The infamous habanero hot pepper. These will be a little while till they start changing colors. Habanero hot pepper. Popular one, the red ghost pepper. We'll fix up a nice recipe for that. Ghost pepper. Start with these. Trinidad scorpion pepper. Some good eatings today. Hearty ho! All washed up and ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Little look into the garden. And I'll see you next time. I'm the Hungry Piney. That's some good eatings. Well, heidi ho! I think we got a turtle hole. Now that's some good eatings. It's the Hungry Piney. Ain't nothing like growing your own produce. Tomatoes and peppers. Green beans. The best ingredients you can have for your dishes. Hearty ho! All washed up and ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Little look into the garden. And I'll see you next time. I'm the Hungry Piney. That's some good eatings. Pesticides whatsoever. All natural. Piney grown.